Hello and welcome to BMed in Revit tutorials. In today's tutorial I will speak about stairs and one of the biggest problem that almost every user has with stairs. The biggest problem is top landings and base connection to the base slab and top connection of the stairs with top slab. I colored all constructions elements, all structural elements in red, so you can follow the tutorial easier. And here you can see that problem with top connection. This is familiar to you, I'm sure, especially for those that already have experience with Revit. I already made tutorials where I add landing to the top, but when I change the thickness of the top landing, the middle landing also changes, and we don't want that. I gave one different solution from this that I will explain here in my previous tutorials. And here you can see the base connection to the base slab on the ground floor and on the first, second and other floors. Here you can see that solution is visible in isometric views also. So with this solution you can make a presentation of your details with these isometric sections, and also you will got 2D views. And the most important thing, everything will be automatically adjusted. For example, this number of the thread numbers, the direction or path of the stairs, and the annotations. All annotations will be automatically added. And beside that, the quantities of the material needed for these stairs will be automatically. That's the point of Revit. Now the solution is you need to make this final layer of the stairs using Stairs tool. This is the material quantities, just to show you. All right, and the solution is you need to create final layer of the stairs using Stairs tool. Here you have threads and risers, and the structural part of the stairs we will create using model in place. There are a lot of advantages using this method, and in this tutorial I will show you everything step by step. Only with those ones that already have experience with Revit, I will just shortly explain how I model these stairs. As I said, final layer we will create using Stair tool, and that will make automatic adding annotations easier. The construction part, the structural part of the stair, we will model using model in place. All right, here is the problematic part of the stairs, the part of the stairs that make problems to every Revit user. And you can see here we have small part that is perfectly cutted. This part here, I cut it using voids. Also, I will show this how to do this in these tutorials. All right, and also we will create a parameter for structural part of this that will be volume, because we want to calculate our material quantities automatically, and this is the schedule. As you can see here, we have a volume of material we need to build this kind of stairs. All right, here this is the top landing. We have perfect solved this problem also. All right, and our material quantities is here. I think that's it's all. If I've forgotten something, I will show you later in this tutorial. Now I'm deleting few of these stairs. Here you can see the final layer of the stairs, or treads and risers. All right, and here we will add them. The concrete slab that I'm selected now, I modeled as a separate floor family, and the other layers of the floor I modeled using the separate floor. I use two different floors for this. Now I will show you how to model the stairs. First, as I said, we will create tread and risers. All right. I set the number of the risers, and I'm using left. I'm positioning the stairs from the left side, and here you can see risers, but we have these supports of the stairs. We need to deselect them. Now I will duplicate these stairs and I will rename it stairs risers or stairs treads. All right, and from here we will deselect. We will select none of the supports because we don't want these supports to be visible. All right, this isn't a problem. Now when we add the exact number of the risers and when we change the depth, everything will be okay. All right, from here I will change the thickness, and this will be 0 because we don't want the noise to be visible. All right, riser is the same thickness as tread. All right, if you want to add the noising, this is the way how to do it. All right, but I don't want them. I will change this 0, and that's it. Our tread and riser parts is ready. I just need to move it to the wall. I need to align it to wall, and here we have one. I want these stairs to finish with riser, so I will select other section where this last riser is visible. All right, now I will select it, but before that I will delete this void part which I use to cut the floor in this part here where the riser joins with floor. And this is the way how to just select this small blue point and move it down. All right, now I will delete this. We have railings that we don't need. All right, And now we will model using generic model at first. Later we can change it as a stairs, but stairs doesn't allow us to join it with other elements. So first, while I join the stairs to the walls and floors, I will use it as a generic model. I use sweep. The reason is when we move the stairs or when we align the stairs, if we use extrusion, the parts of the stairs will follow if we, from any reason, align the stairs. We will, using this method, we will avoid to make mistakes later. This is from my experience. All right. I've modeled the risers, and now I will model the thickness of the stairs. Will be 18 centimeters. All right. As you could see, the part of the stairs, final layer that we created using stairs tool, we use it as a reference now. So our work is much easier now. All right. All right. This will be one part of the stairs. The landing, the middle landing, we will create as a separate part of model in place. So and later we will join them. All right. Also, I'm going to add the material parameter, so we can change the material of this structural part of the stairs. All right. This is the material parameter. Material structure. All right. I will select it and I will copy it because we already have added parameters here, and this material parameter will follow the model on the other part of the stairs. All right, from the section I will change the profile in this way. All right. All right, by adding this profile, we will finish the other part of the stairs, and what left, the landing left, and after that we will cut the floor parts that intersect with our stairs. That's also one of the problems with stairs. We can join them, especially with top slab and with the top floor layers. All right. Now when I finish modeling this, I will show you when we join the generic parts with floors and walls, it will join perfectly. And after joining them, we can change the type of the model in place from generic to stairs. So later when we use them into schedule, it will appear. All right, the middle landing is left. I've copied these stairs and copy it in place. And now I'm adding profile for middle landing. right, I will change this here. That's very good. And now when I join them, they become one part. You can see one continuous part of the stairs. Now I will use this material here. I will copy it. Control C. All right. And now I will paste it here. That's it. Now you can follow the tutorial easier. I will, when I join the stairs with floors, you can see here we have perfect connection, and these changes I'm making now will be visible in the isometric views also. All right, that looks great. All right, and here we have a problem on the top part. All right, from the isometric views you can see the connection is visible. Now I will copy them to other floors. All right, now I will copy the structural part on the stairs. All right, that's it. Only here we need to make corrections, because on the ground floor we have different connection of the stairs with floor slab. All right. I didn't use here shaft opening, because shaft opening cuts every layer in the floor, all floors, and here I have these floor layers that are under the structural part of the floor in the different shapes. So I changed their forms using edit type. All right. Now I need to change the railings. All right. Here we need to make a little bit modification more. All right, it will be enough. Here I need to change it to 5. All right. And here how much this is, 1 centimeter. All right. Now I will move this line. I will copy it actually, 1 centimeters. All right, and I will delete these other parts, and that's it. Perfect. What's left? I need to copy this railing from 3D view. I will copy it to other floors. All right, that's it. I will delete this here. All right, and I will delete this one too. And I will copy it to other floors, to first and second floor. All right, and that's it. That's it. Now I will join this structural part of the stairs to walls. Here you can see we have perfect solved connection. And what's left? This part here. All right. When we model in Revit, when we model the elements properly, later we will have the already solved drawings. All right, now using floor model in place and using void sweep tool, I will cut. I created profile, and now I need to copy it to other floors first. All right, using copy tool, I will copy it to other floors because I need to cut this part here on every floor where stairs join with top slab. Now you can see using cutting tool, I will cut. All right, this looks perfect now. All right, that's it. That's it. Perfect. Okay. From this side, it looks perfect. As I said before, every change we made on the section will appear in the isometric view. So when you create presentation of your stairs, it will look perfect. You can see, and this is the reason why I made them from generic model in place. Later in the when we finish this, we can change the from generic to here. We have the structural part visible. We can solve this very easy by changing this part. We will add this we will edit this model in place, select it, and from visibility graphics we will deselect visible in floor plans. We need to do this for other stairs also. All right, we just need to edit this structural part and change the visibility settings, graphic settings. We need to deselect visible in floor plans. All right, I will do the same for this one here too. Visibility graphic settings and deselect the visible in floor. Okay, now it's clear. All right. As I said before, the most important thing working with Revit is to make everything with automatic changes and adding the annotations. Also, we need the automatic calculation of material quantities. You can see all these tags and annotations are connected to the final layer of the stairs that we created using Stairs tool. All right, now I will see this. I will delete this part here. This too. I will delete this part here too. Now you can see here we have detail, already finished detail for base connection, for ground floor and for other floors. In the same way, we can create the other details of these stairs. As you can see, everything is perfectly done. What's left? We need to add parameter for stairs, because now we cannot we will calculate quantities of the material automatically, but on different way. We will add parameter for stairs, volume parameter, All right, now I need to find the identity date. All right, and from here I will select stairs. One reason more, I remember now, one reason more why I modeled the stairs using structural part of the stairs using generic model in place, because when we select it, we can see the volume of that model, and that's the way how will we add the quantities, volume quantities of these stairs. Now I will show you that. Just I need to add few parameters from here. This is our volume parameter. From here I will choose the base level, and from here I will calculate totals. All right, that's it. Now our volume fields are empty. We will add these values manually. Here we have only on the ground floor a small difference with material quantities. The other floors are the same, so we will copy past them. You're here on the left side, you can see the volume. All right, if I modeled these stairs using stairs model in place, this quantity of volume won't appear. All right, later when I finish this, I will change it to stairs from here. This is the way. All right. And here you can add the value of this stairs. This is a little bit different. All right, the quantities is different on other floors. From ground floor we have a little bit more of the concrete. All right. All right, now from here I will change the family model type from generic to stairs. All right, and the connection. All right. As you could see, on the generic parts of the stairs, the parameter we added for stairs wasn't visible. So the reason is that we create that parameter only for stairs. If you want to leave it as a generic part of the model, you can add the parameter just by selecting the generic model also. Now I will copy these volumes from structural part to stairs, and I will change these values from structural part as a 0. The reason is we need this volume, and it changed manually, so it will be connected to the final layer of the stairs that we created using stairs tool. All right, and that's it. Dear friends, this is all for this tutorial. You could see how to model the stairs and how to automatically calculate the quantities of the material, and how to create a model that will make your work easier. It make your creation of the drawings and isometric and 3D presentation much easier in this way, and we will have you will have clear clear drawings. That's all for this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and to share my works with your friends and colleagues. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.